Welcome to another week. Monday, 15th of September. What a day. As usual, remember when it comes to weekly openings, we always have weekly market analysis so that we can have an overall view of what the market's trying to do and we can have the direction of the market. So, without further ado, let's start with the market analysis. Remember, these were the structures that we can mark last week. Comes to this structure is still valid because it has not been broken. So, but there have been new structures forming this level. Come to 4 hours, and seems gold has a hard time breaking these levels. So it's creating a support here and resistance. Mark them together. Good, what else? So this is the level at which it's playing on. So we'll be very careful with those levels. So these are the key levels to look on. There's another one and this another one. So remember, gold is in all-time high, so it's creating new levels. And remember, never rush into areas without levels because it's going to haunt you. Don't try thinking or assuming that a level is going to be formed. Mostly it comes to a new time high. It's a very interesting area to trade, and most people don't know how to trade those areas, especially if you learn how to trade when the market structures were respecting all levels of resistance, support, or fairness, depending on the strategy. But it comes to new levels, it's not easy to trade. This is where patience comes in. And as for gold, I have not traded gold for the past 2 months, if I'm not wrong, because it's not giving me confirmations, and I have to wait for confirmation. So for now, just observe these levels here and here. It's another level to look on. Observe. Let's see how it's going to behave within this range. So that's going to consolidate within these areas. Well and good. If it's going to break, that's good. But for now, I'm not interested. Number two, yeah, oil. Remember, I'm short on oil, and it is a trade that I've been waiting for a while, but because of the low volumes in the market, these are the levels I'm looking. Because of the low volumes of the market, as you know, August and September, the markets have not been rallying as we wanted. We would want them to. So no biggie, just wait. So for now, I'm waiting for this trade. If I get a confirmation, I'll short it and I'll give you the trade. But for now, when it comes to oil, just waiting. Remember, whenever in a hurry, back to our initial time frame, trading time frame. So this oil, just observing. Let's come to UJ. UJ, I'm focused on these levels. Remember, we wanted to take this trade last week, but it never came back. We are playing within this range, and unless you have a confirmation on something else, we're playing on this range. So if this market comes here, we'll wait and buy. If it doesn't, if it rallies up, we'll wait to short. But if it comes to UJ, I'm in shorts. So let's wait and see. Come to 4 hours. Look at this. The market is just within our range, and this is not a bad sign. It's not a bad sign. This market has been consolidating here man, for the past 2 months, August and September, if I'm not wrong. And let's hope for the best setup. And eventually, my overall bias on this trade is a short. Because that's my overall trade. When it comes to UD, I want to short UD. But we are ranging, so remember we react to what the market will do. we avoid as much as possible to predict what reacts. Okay, so no biggie. Another setup to wait. So come to platinum. That time I don't have a setup. It has been a while since I traded platinum because of these weeks. I don't like trading platinum because of these weeks, but I have a setup which I'm very keen on buying on. When it comes, I will take. If it doesn't give me the best confirmations, I will take it. So for now, usually leave it alone. German footy. Oh yeah, this trade. This I'm telling you, this is the setup I'm very interested in. And as you know, I'm waiting for it to come here. I'm waiting for it to come here, and we can buy. But there are certain confirmations I need first. But overall, this is a good sign. This is a good sign. This is a good sign because the market is showing it's trying to change the trend. That's why it's trying to accumulate in these levels, and the orders are being filled. So it's not rallying compared to this one. And see, market has stages: consolidation, rallying, consolidation, rallying. So for us, we're waiting for it to come back here, and we take that setup if it comes. Doesn't, well and good. It's another day trade. So for now, I can't take a trade here, even if it's giving me a short trade here. I can't because of my personal reasons, and because I agree with them. Why do I own always have this? Remember, we always have to go with the overall high time frame trend. So this is what it is. So let's wait for that setup. Come to US30. US30 is behaving in a very interesting way. We have these levels. I think I said that last week. I wanted to mark these levels, but I did it. This one's US30 is playing within these levels. And, very interesting. It's very interesting. So remember, US30 is also a new high, so we have to be very careful and very keen. Patience, greed is not part of this, or coming in a hurry to the market is not part of this. So that's why we have to wait. These are the levels I'm looking at. So if a good setup comes, we take it. If it doesn't, so I'll be observing for a while at these levels. I think I can take a long here, which will be very good. But for now, no setup yet. So the market has not been giving us good setups for the past 2 months, but we have been taking what it's giving us. That's the beauty of the market. And there are a few pips that have been there, so they are good, and that's fine. We are always grateful for that. But for now, no good setup. So it comes to this one, I might be looking for something like this if it decides to give us the confirmations. But for now, not sure. So let it be. BTC Euro, no setup yet. No setup yet. I'm looking at these levels. These levels, where are they? These ones. These ones. I'm looking at these levels, and wow, so I'm very invested in these levels. So if I get a good setup here, I can short. But let's wait and see. It has been weak, and BTC has not gone up, which I would have expected. Now, so something like that. I like one on it. So Euro USD. Oof, we didn't take this setup if I'm not wrong, but even if we took it, we will have closed in this TP1 level because it was on a Friday. But overall, we will still be in a trade, but is what it is. So this is the beauty of having patience. Now we are looking at these levels. These are the levels that UJ is targeting. Remember, overall UJ I'm on above them. So let's wait and see. So when it comes here, it gives us a short, we'll take it. If it doesn't, if it breaks, we'll take that beautiful long, it will be better off, and we'll have good confirmations. But overall, is what I'm looking at. So I am looking at these levels. It gives us a confirmation here. We can short, but remember you have to wait. If it gives us a confirmation to rally up, we'll buy. It is a good sign, but overall, we'll be still in that trade, even if we took it, but we'll be in drawdowns. This is the beauty of understanding what you're doing in the market. You avoid losses, man. For example, that's a drawdown avoided. And, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Instead of gambling and always taking all setups that come your way, sometimes sit down, relax, and watch. Because the skill allows you to master and prevents you from such throwdowns. So let's sit and wait. So that's the overall market weekly analysis. I'll end the recording, but when it comes to the live, we'll continue on the live. So it's a great Monday. I'm happy. I'm always happy because Mondays comes and presents opportunities. And opportunities comes, we make money. So remember, I'm creating a community of traders where we'll be trading, talking about what's trending and everything. And that's all out. Let's see what the week is going to present for us. Let's wait and see the week's blessing. All the best. Have a profitable and a blue week. Is that's all out in the live on the recording, but the live stream will continue. So